Guys, welcome back to the channel, and right in time for the weekend I have another must download application that I want to share with you guys. Just like I do every single week on the channel, I share an application that I think is definitely worth a download, and I have another app that I want to share with you guys today. As I always say, if you have any apps you would like for me to try, any recommendations, any apps that you would like for me to feature, you can leave those in the comments down below and maybe I'll feature it on the next episode. So let's go ahead and jump into the App Store, and today we're going to be searching for Vox Loca, which is kind of interesting because loca means crazy woman in Spanish. So there it is. Let's go ahead and download that one. I already downloaded, of course. You can search the App Store for it. And as I mentioned, this one will allow you to watch a ton of movies and TV shows. At the bottom, you have 5 buttons here. You have your discovery, your movies, your TV shows, watch list, and then settings. That's it. On the top, you have your carousel here for the features and discoveries. Right there it is. You have your top movies, a lot of great movies in this application. To watch a movie, all you have to do is tap into the movie. You see the play button there? Just hit that, and that will start playing the movie. You can select whichever quality of the movie that you want. You see all these little links that load up. You can choose whichever one you want and start watching the movie on your iOS device. Now, there's a few movies that are yet not out in theaters, so you won't be able to watch them, but you have a ton of categories here. You have your anime, you have your TV shows, your top movies, and just the list goes on and on and on. So it's just a great all-around great application right in time for the weekend. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching. This is a really quick one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.